Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing FNAF Ultimate Custom Night. Yes, I got FNAF Ultimate Custom Night. So, ha! Yeah, you won't be able to hear the audio because I turned it off. Yeah, I don't know what. Plus, this recording system won't let it be on anyway, so like... plus, with the audio, you'll be scared, like... Jump scared. I have to hear it. I'll be scared for my life. So yeah, let's just do you... Now, I'm doing what I normally do, because look, I've already played 3,000 points. And this is what I normally do. See, how I got 3,200? It's because before I didn't do, yeah. Well, yeah, let's get into it. Let's go. Okay, so, just loading, 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 loading. Weird. Bro. Now, I probably may not win, because I just recorded a Swing City video anyways. You're annoying. Blind boy! Blind boy has ruined me. I'm lagging. I'm having the worst lag right now. Ah! 44%, it's 2 AM. I think I'm dead. This is hurting me. I'm gonna grab that 1% power because I need that. Two. Get out. Ah. That's it. No, bro. Come on, 17, 15, 14, 13. I'm dead. I just died from Toy Chica. Oh no, I died from Molten Freddy. I died from Molten Freddy. Of course I died. Of course I died from Molten Freddy. Anyone else, but no, just Molten Freddy. So annoying. Well, yeah. I'm sorry, but this is going to be another short video. Yeah. If this video, though, gets 5 likes, I will do a part 2, and whatever character you say in the comments, I will do, okay? Well, yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and, yeah, bye, yeah.